Vicky, welcome to my channel. If you are new, please hit that subscribe button. If you are already part of my little sub family, thank you so much. So today I've got a B&M haul. I was limited for time, so I did rush around. I literally had a basket and I only made it down the snack aisle. But I'm going to show you what I picked up because I do think there is a few good things here. So let's get on with it. So the first thing is something quite boring. It's this mega jumbo kitchen towel, which was £1. We have ran out, so I needed some more of that. So that's why I just picked this up while I was there. Then moving on to Christmas gifts, I got a few of these little Cadbury selection boxes. These were £1.50. I've got quite a lot of brothers and a sister, like you already know, and with that comes nephew and nieces. So I picked these up for the kids. I picked up this pack of Doers Jam. Don't know how you pronounce that. This was £2. I just thought this would be really good as a gift to Dan from the dog. It's got miniature jars of jam, and one is orange and whiskey, blackcurrant and rum, strawberry and kirsch. I don't know what that is. I don't know what kirsch is, but I'm guessing it's some form of alcohol. And the last one is ginger and amaretto. He loves jam, he loves marmalade, that sort of stuff on toast, so I thought he would enjoy these. For £3 I picked up this s'mores kit, so you get everything you need in this pack to make s'mores. We've already got one of those little burners, so I just thought on these cold cosy nights when we're watching films we can huddle up and make some s'mores. Charlie has been spending all of his poor money today. Another gift from the dog is this little tin of Twinings Earl Grey tea. So it's actual tea in here that you put into a teapot. This was £1.50 and I just thought it'd be nice for his nanny. She's on a diet and I didn't want to corrupt that, so I went with some tea. So for £2 I picked up this 200-gram bag of chocolate decorations. We are one of those families who put chocolates onto our tree. I don't know why, it's just a tradition in our house, and I will have to buy more packs of these because throughout the month of December Dan will be eating them, so I will have to keep buying these to top up the tree. Charlie is a very spoilt pooch and he has got far too many toys, so Santa has been warned not to bring him any this year, but instead he can have clothing. We do cut his fur short at this time of the year. It just helps to keep him nice, it just helps to keep him clean, and we think he looks better, so he needs jumpers. This mustard coloured jumper was £7 and it's in a size medium. I've already tried it on him and he looks a little Bobby Dazzler and it fits him really well. I like the knitted bit that runs through it. I just wanted some more jumpers for him that aren't super Christmassy themed, that he can wear throughout the whole winter season. So yeah, this is what he will be getting as a gift from the big man. Another little present for Charlie is this pet Dream Robe. This is in a size small and it was £5. He does already have one of these in a grey colour, and we call it his dressing gown because after he has had a bath we put this on him and then we just let him wear it for the rest of the night, and he seems quite comfortable. So I just thought we would get him another one because we do use it fairly often. These are really, really good. They do help to dry your pet off fairly quickly, and if your pet is like Charlie, if he's not thoroughly dry in a certain amount of time he starts to sheck. So I think these are really, really good for the price that they are. They do get a little bit more expensive the bigger up the sizes go, so like a medium is £6 and a large is £7, so not that different in price, but yeah, I do highly recommend these. So for £1 I picked up a bag of the Milky bar Festive Friends. I have never tried these before. They've got like a creamy white filling inside, and so for that reason I just thought, do you know what, I'll give them a go. And obviously Dan will help me to consume this packet. I'm not putting these away for Christmas, these are just to eat as and when we feel like it. And for £2 I saw these alphabet chocolates, so I got a white chocolate in the shape of a D. So obviously this is for Dan, and I will be putting this into his Christmas Eve box, Christmas Eve bag, whatever you want to call it. The little gifts that you get before Christmas Day, he will be receiving this. I just thought it would just be a nice little addition to the little packs that I create. And once again, something from the Charlie Bum. he has gone and got his Grumpy some of the Brazil nuts, chocolate Brazil nuts. So those are what Dan's dad will be receiving from the dog as a gift this year. So that is everything from B&M that I got on this little haul. I'm sorry it wasn't much more. I do plan on having a few more trips into B&M and spending quite a while looking through all the aisles that they've got, especially the Christmas aisles. So I will put some time aside to do that. If you've watched this video till the end, thank you very much. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Hopefully see you again soon, but for now, goodbye.